student, this is Sivakumar. 11th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.8, problem number 3, subdivision number 5. Solve the following equation: sin 2 theta minus cos 2 theta minus sin theta plus cos theta, that is equal to 0. Here we have subdivision number 5. There is no formula for sin c minus cos d, but we have sin c minus sin d and cos c minus cos d. So grouping sin 2 theta minus sin theta plus, I read this one, cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Cos theta minus cos 2 theta. Then only you can apply the formula cos c minus cos d. That is equal to 0. Here this is c. This one is d. Here this is c. This is d. So two formulae to be applied: sin c minus sin d and cos c minus cos d. Sin c minus sin d, that is equal to 2 cos of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2, and cos c minus cos d equals cos c minus cos d, that is equal to minus 2 sin of c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. Now can apply the formula. First one, 2 cos c plus d, 2 theta plus theta, sin c minus d, 2 theta minus theta by 2, plus cos c minus cos d, here it is minus 2 into sin of c plus d, theta plus 2 theta by 2, sin of c minus d, theta minus 2 theta by 2. That is equal to 0. Now 2 into cos of 2 theta plus theta, that is 3 theta divided by 2, sin of 2 theta minus theta, that is a theta divided by 2, plus into minus minus 2 into sin of 1 theta plus 2 theta, that is a 3 theta divided by 2, and sin of theta minus 2 theta, that is equal to minus theta by 2, sin of minus theta by 2, that is equal to 0. We know that the sine of minus theta, that is equal to minus sin theta. Therefore this becomes 2 into cos of 3 theta by 2 into sin theta by 2 minus 2 into sin of 3 theta by 2. According to this property, sin of minus theta by 2 can be written as minus sin of theta by 2. That is equal to 0. Minus into minus plus. The next step we can write. Can directly write here 2 and 2 common, sin theta by 2 also common. If we take sin theta by 2 sin theta by 2 is common, we will be getting here cos 3 theta by 2 minus into minus plus, 2 and sin theta by 2 already common, we have sin 3 theta by 2, that is equal to 0. Now we can divide by 2. If we divide by 2, we will be getting sin theta by 2 into cos 3 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2, that is equal to 0. Now product of these two equals 0 means either sin theta by 2 equals 0 or cos 3 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2, that is equal to 0. Right? Now case 1, sin theta by 2 equals 0. Sin theta by 2 equals 0. We know that if sin x equals 0, if sin x that is equal to 0, then x that is equal to n pi where n belongs to integer. This is x, which implies x that is theta by 2 that is equal to n pi where n belongs to integer. We need theta, therefore theta that is equal to, you have to cross multiply, you will be getting 2 n pi, n belongs to set of all integers. Case 1 is over. Now case 2. Case 2, cos 3 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 that is equal to 0. Case 2, cos 3 theta by 2 plus sin 3 theta by 2 that is equal to 0. Now I retain any one of them. I retain sin 3 theta by 2 that is equal to minus cos 3 theta by 2, which implies divide by cos 3 theta by 2. So sin 3 theta by 2 divided by cos 3 theta by 2 that is equal to minus 1. If you divide sin 3 theta by 2 by cos 3 theta by 2, we are getting this term. Here if you divide cos 3 theta by 2 divided by cos 3 theta by 2, that is equal to 1 only. So minus 1. Otherwise, bring this term to the denominator, we will be getting minus 1 in the right hand side. Both the angles are same. What form it is? Sin theta divided by cos theta, you know very well, that is tan theta. That is tan 3 theta by 2 that is equal to minus 1. The principal solution of tan lies between minus 90 to plus 90. This is negative. So tan is negative definitely in fourth quadrant. In first quadrant all positive, fourth quadrant cos and secant only positive, tan is negative. So definitely angle will be in the fourth quadrant. So which implies tan of 3 theta by 2 that is equal to, you write this one as minus tan pi by 4 because tan 45 that is equal to 1, which implies tan of 3 theta by 2 that is equal to, we know that minus tan theta that is equal to tan of minus theta. So according to this property, this can be written as tan of minus pi by 4. Now look at the angle here, minus pi by 4 lies in which quadrant? Fourth quadrant only. If you go for that clockwise direction, then definitely the minus 45 degree in fourth quadrant only. So now we can compare these two. What form it is? Tan x that is equal to tan y, tan x that is equal to tan alpha if tan x that is equal to tan alpha, actually tan theta equal tan alpha, since theta is in the equation itself, I consider as x. Tan x equal tan alpha, x that is equal to n pi plus alpha where n belongs to integer. That's the general solution. This is x. This one is alpha, which implies x that is 3 theta by 2 that is equal to n pi plus alpha that is minus pi by 4. We need theta only. So for getting theta, first you multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, I am retaining 3 theta only here, multiplied by 2. 2 into n pi, 2 n pi, plus into minus minus. If you multiply it by 2, pi by 4 into 2, you will be getting 2, pi by 2. Now divide by 3, you will be getting theta. Theta that is equal to 2 n pi minus pi by 6. Sorry, here by 3. 2 n pi by 3 minus pi by 2 3s are 6. N belongs to integer. That is a solution. Even you can write like this, or theta that is equal to 2n pi by 3 plus of minus pi by 6. Same only, plus into minus minus. So n belongs to integer. So subdivision number 5 is completed. Problem number 3 subdivision 5 is completed. Then I will be teaching the next subdivision in the next video. Thank you, children.